Welcome back, everybody. Almost 9 miles in the high country today in search of elk. So hungry. We got down, I found a Whole Foods, and they had these Cowboy burger beef patties. Let's do Cowboy beef burgers. Blackstone 22-inch adventure-ready griddle on high heat. Extra virgin olive oil, salt, and granulated garlic. Gonna go seasoning side down. Sun and shadows are getting the best of me here, so let me remove my hard cover. And I'll also hit the other side up with a little bit of salt and garlic as well. Looking beautiful, glistening in the Colorado sun. Move my patties aside. And we're gonna drop some diced onions down in that beef grease. Hello, I'm back at home. I figured this would be a good time to pull aside, tell you a little bit about the 22-inch griddle, why I like it, what makes it so unique for adventure cooking. It's compact, 2 hands, and there we go. And they look just as cool as my patio versions, as my Pro Series versions of the Blackstone. We're using the 22-inch on a picnic table at elk camp. You've seen me using it this year on my tailgate, on my truck, on stainless steel tables. You can use it on the Blackstone 17-inch and 22-inch. That's right, it fits both griddles, table, and this has been out for, I think, 6 years or so. I like the fact that they're versatile with the propane options. You can run a 1-pound propane canister or one of our bulk tank adapter hoses, connecting to a larger 5, 10, 20, or any size bulk propane tank. These models have the hard cover, which you can hang in the back to use as a grease splatter shield or a wind guard. 22 inches wide, so plenty of real estate for cooking. Blackstone even has a couple of different carry bag options with handles and with shoulder straps, so it's easy to move these in and out of your vehicle or in and out of your campsite. So a few of the things I like about the Blackstone 22-inch tabletop for adventure cooking. Maybe you like the size of the 22-inch griddle. Maybe you only cook for 1 or 2 people, but you don't cook off-grid. Blackstone even has permanent, more patio-esque, more Pro Series versions of the 22-inch griddle as well, so you can check those out at blackstoneproducts.com. Let's go back to elk camp and the Cowboy burgers. And we have 2 kinds of cheese today. We're going down with sharp cheddar and pepper jack, so double trouble. I have some brioche buns that we've layered with mayo. Let's toast them up. Couple of us want onions on ours, so let's load them up with sauteed onion. Let's start with those brioche heels. A little bit of mayo, green leaf lettuce, beautiful Cowboy beef patties with 2 kinds of cheese and onions, some smoky barbecue sauce, beautiful toasted brioche crowns on top. Steve's been having to watch me cook these for the last, who knows how many minutes, and I think we're a little bit hungry here. One last look. Let's give it a try, Steve. So good. These sure do hit the spot after being up in the mountains all morning. But I have to say goodbye because we need to get back up the mountain. Really easy. I went to Whole Foods and they had these pre-made Cowboy burgers with jalapenos diced up inside, premium beef, the brioche bun with a lot of butter. It is killer. A little bit of lettuce on there, right? A little bit on the bottom, and that smoky barbecue sauce. So good. And we're just gonna call them what they called them at the store. We're calling them the Cowboy beef burgers. Thanks for watching, everybody. I sure do appreciate it. Make sure you're watching all the shows on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd, Steve, and my son Aaron, who's catching a little midday nap in the tent before we head back up in the mountains. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the Cowboy burgers. If you look at this scene behind me, there's Aaron. Here comes my friend Steve running down the mountain. 8th year hunting with me. He just killed a
5x5.
A 5x5. Steve's first elk. His first elk is a bull elk.